Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a perfect thumbnail by using AI, and you can do it in just few minutes. First of all, in Google, just search thumbnail downloader and click on the first option. Beside that, and the next step, simply open YouTube, and you can see there is multiple videos. All these videos, which thumbnail you like, simply copy the link of that video. For example, I am interested in this one, so I will simply copy the link of this video and paste in thumbnail downloader that I opened already. So you can see there is multiple formats available over there. So I will download the HD one, and now in Google I will search Gemnai, and I will upload the picture that I download from YouTube. You can say the thumbnail that I download from YouTube by using thumbnail downloader, and you can see that is uploaded. And now I will write here, please replace this girl picture. Basically I just want to replace the picture of a girl, and I will do it in few seconds, so they will generate it for me. It's not only about picture, you can change background, text, everything that you want to change. You can simply write and Gemini will do it for you in just few seconds. Which type of changes you want to do in your thumbnail, just simply write here and AI will do it for you. And if you think that your thumbnail is ready, simply download it. Now what I will do, I will repeat all the process again. I will create one more thumbnail, and I will follow the same steps that I performed for the first thumbnail. Just simply search in a Google thumbnail downloader, and beside that open YouTube and copy the link of the video which thumbnail you like, and paste this link in YouTube downloader, and they will download thumbnail for you. And after that upload that picture in Gemini, and according to your interest they will do modification in that thumbnail. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your time. See you in next video. Have a good day.